as you can see, we have 3 different foundation shades on my skin, and when you're looking at this, which do you think is the closest match to my skin? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me, hi, my name is SINDYAKPOLO. Good to have you here. You're most definitely welcome. Today, just like you've clicked on the title and the thumbnail, today I'm gonna be showing you how to choose the right foundation shade for your skin tone. I recently did a Q&A, and this was also part of the question, and I understand that a lot of people are having a hard time identifying or picking or choosing the right foundation shade on their skin tone. And I thought to do a separate video after answering that question. I thought to do a separate video to help you guys identify or pick or choose or match the right foundation shade or choose the right foundation shade for your skin tone. And first off, when you want to pick your foundation, before getting the foundation or before buying a foundation, especially if you're going to be getting your foundation from the Superdrug or from the drugstore, you want to make sure to match the foundation from your skin down to your neck, especially if your face is lighter than your neck. You want to make sure to match the foundation from your face or from the side of your face to your neck. And if your face is darker than your neck, you want to also match it your face down to your neck. Never match foundation only on your neck area, because sometimes our neck can be lighter than our face or our neck can be darker than our face. So you want to make sure to take note of these 2 things. And next, you want to also take note of the lighting situation around where you're testing or shade matching the foundation, or you're matching the foundation. Never match a foundation using a studio light or using the studio light. Always match a foundation using natural light, and also allow the foundation to sit on the skin for 5 minutes to 10 minutes to know if the foundation oxidizes, because some foundation oxidizes, and when they do, sometimes the undertone of the foundation changes. So you want to use that to also note the foundation if it's the right match for your skin tone. Now, what you need to know is skin tone and undertone, they are not the same. Skin tone is the color you see on your skin, while undertone is the color or the hue that peeps underneath your skin. For skin tone, there is the light, there is the medium, there is the dark skin tone, and for undertone, there is the neutral undertone, there is a cool undertone, and there is the warm undertone. So you want to know where your skin tone falls on, and also where your undertone falls on around the spectrum. I have 3 foundations here that I'm gonna be shade matching. These are foundations that I use. I've used them a couple of times here on this channel. I'm gonna match them on my skin, and I'm gonna apply a light amount at the back of my hand. To match the foundation, I'll be using a flat foundation brush. I take a tiny amount of the foundation and match it on my skin, so you can see how that looks on my skin. I'm also going to take another of the foundation, place it at the back of my hand with the same flat foundation brush. I'm also going to use it to apply to match the foundation on my skin. I'm also going to go into the 3rd foundation. Now, as you can see, we have 3 different foundation shades on my skin, and when you're looking at this, which do you think is the closest match to my skin? Like, they look light on my skin, but 1 or 2 of them is the closest match to my skin. If I'm gonna be picking, I'm gonna pick this one because it's closest to my skin, and you can see that it blends almost into my skin. It blends into my neck. It blends and almost disappears down to my neck. The same applies to this other one. It blends to my neck and it almost disappeared to my neck, while this one is lighter on my face but is also blending to my neck. And all of them, they are of the same undertone. This is kind of lighter, this is a neutral undertone, this is also a neutral undertone. I am a neutral undertone, and I fall under the warm side of neutral undertone, so I can play around with warm undertones. And this one is it's a tint of gold undertone, and this one has a tint of gold undertone as well, so it can match or blend to my skin. So now I'm gonna wipe this all off and use this on my skin, because this one is the closest match to my skin. I'm also going to show you again so you see how it looks on my skin. So for the foundation match, I could easily walk away with this one and this one, because after they oxidize, you can see how they blend to my skin. Although they look kind of light, but I can walk away with this. I can easily blend it to my skin without giving me that white cast or looking too ashy on my skin. So you want to make sure to match the foundation and allow the foundation to oxidize on your skin. I'm going to blend this one to my skin. To blend it, I'm also going to use the same foundation brush. Ooh, that's a lot. So note, when applying your foundation, you don't want to apply a lot of foundation on your face. Build it up. And I'm going to use my beauty sponge to blend everything together. You can see how the foundation is just blending into my skin now. That is what you want. So even when you match your foundation from the drugstore, when you get home and you match it to your foundation, it's also going to blend into your skin because you've done all of the necessary work. Something I forgot to put out there is what I'm using to film to show you right now is all natural light. There is no artificial light. The only source of light is from my window, and that is what I'm using to show you, because this is what a lot of people will be saying, especially if you're going to be wearing the foundation every day. This is what a lot of people will be saying with natural light, no artificial light needed. This is how my face is currently looking like after blending the entire foundation to my face. Now you can see how the foundation blends to my skin. It doesn't look like we applied any form of foundation on the skin. It looks healthy on the skin, blend to my skin. Even on my neck, you cannot see any form of ashy makeup on my skin. That is how you want your foundation to look like. You don't want your foundation to look too ashy on your skin or give you that white cast on your face or on your skin. You want everything to blend to your skin, even the foundation to blend to your neck as well. That is what you want. You can see how everything is all in unison, and this is what you want. This is the kind of layer you want. With this, you can go ahead to apply the other product on your face without having that white cast on your face whatsoever. So this is how we're currently looking like with the entire makeup on our face or on our skin. Now it doesn't look too much on our skin. Even the foundation is all blended to our skin, and that is what you want. This is the kind of layer or the kind of base foundation you want, and I hope you were able to understand how to match or shade match the right foundation to your skin tone. So when matching your foundation, and if you are not sure of the foundation match or the foundation you got, you can always opt to get a sample bottle or sample size of the foundation to match onto your skin. Sometimes you can even get the sample size to match on your skin and look at your skin on natural light, or get the sample size of the foundation and wear it at home to see how the foundation wears or performs on your skin. Some of the foundation, some oxidizes. So if the foundation oxidizes, how does it look on your skin, or how does it blend on your skin? So these are all of the things you need to consider when getting the foundation. And what do I mean by a foundation that oxidizes? So oxidization is when a product is being exposed to air and it turns or it changes its color. So that's more like a browning effect. If you notice that a foundation, when exposed to air, it changes its color, that means that foundation oxidizes, and that is the exact color of the foundation after being exposed to air. That means that is how the foundation is going to appear or look on your skin as well. So you want to take note of these things. Of number one to take note is take note of your skin tone, note your undertone, also know your skin type so you don't get a wrong foundation. So for oily skin, you have to get a matte foundation, and for dry skin, do not get a matte foundation. You should get a hydrating foundation or a luminous foundation, or foundation that gives you a radiant finish, because matte foundations, they would usually dry on your skin, and they might crack up on your skin or might cause your skin to dry out. And also you also want to take note of the foundation. If the foundation oxidizes on the skin, now you can only know if the foundation oxidizes by doing a wear test or by allowing it exposed to air after applying it on your skin or applying it at the back of your hand. Now I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did create it, and you learned one or two from this tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below as well, and also leave your video suggestion in the comments down below, and also let me know other areas you're having troubles with and other tutorials you'd like to see on my channel. And make sure to also subscribe to my channel if you're not. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also check out my other videos for other product recommendation or other makeup tutorials or videos you might find interesting to stay connected.